M0FXB Andreas UK. M0FXB, gonna have a play with my settings for the scope. So there's your scope. Obviously it looks very good just with the default settings. I'm just gonna have a little tweak. So see this at the top here where you've got the sort of light blue which stays in place. That's sort of called the max hold, which I do like. Then you've got the main waveform, and then it all trails down. These are the things you can tweak. So let's hold down EXP on the screen, and then you'll get to the list of choices, scope set. So go to the top, see the scope. That's the max hold one. That's the fill center, which I like. Carrier point, narrow, not sure about that. Anyway, waveform, fill and line, I do like that. Now we've got waveform color. At the moment, the colors of the waveform is like a light blue, and then you've got a dark blue underneath, which I think I'd like that to be a bolder color. So you just select it and then just choose what you like by turning the... I've added some red there, and you see the color you end up with at the top. The colors, trying to get a better angle here so you can see the colors. So if we go, you can turn the knob, or you can just select it and with the minus and the plus. So look, we've ended it with a purple there. Let's go to this one. Quite an orangey red there. I'm going to try that just for fun. Back out completely. So look, now you've got a red one flashing away. So hold again. Let's try the max hold color. Max hold color. Let's select that. Right now it's red, so we could make it like a yellow, couldn't we? So I think that would look pretty funky in yellow. Right, that's gone a sort of a yellow. Maybe some either more or less blue. I'd say, yeah, less blue has made it. You can't really see clear on the camera, but that is a yellow. So let's back out. So look, now you've got this. The max hold is yellow, and the main wave is red. I think that's okay. Yeah. Right, let's go hold it again. EXP set. Waterfall display on, yeah, we like that on speed. Yeah, I think it looks better when it's fast. Peak color. Oh, that's not really changing anything. Anyway, there's some choices. I think you've got to play and get it how you like it. But, you know, it's... The 7300 is an amazing radio. It's a lovely radio. Very good audio. And just tap here to change the frequency. If you slow it down, you just tap here and it slows it down. Tap here and it's faster. If you hold the zeros, it's even slower. It adds a couple more zeros. And let's go to a different band. You just touch the band, 3.5. I got way too much interference. That'll be all the LED lights I've got here. So you can go through like that, and then there's 20 meters. You can turn the RF down like that, so you can see the scope a bit clearer, like so. Or you can actually go to... If you leave that where it is, you can go to 1, hit REF, and you can change that number, and it's like turning the RF, but just for the scope. So you get a clearer picture. It doesn't change the input, you know, what you're receiving. You've got the NB here, noise blanket. Hold it down. You can change it. NR, which is off now. That's on, but to change that so it's more better. There you go. That muffles it a bit more. Basically hold the NR and then you can change it. You've got preamps here. Preamp 1 off just by touching it. That's the most powerful. Power is just tap that and then you just turn it up and down. Mic gain, you can see the other settings there. Tuner, turn it on and then you just hold it in. Sorry. Yeah, it's not tuning, it's bad. It's not a good antenna for 20 meters. But it works okay. You can actually put it into emergency mode and then it will tune outside of its normal parameters. So what you do, you go menu, set, I think, is it others? Let's see if I can remember. Function, tone, let's try function. You basically put the radio into emergency mode. I've done it many times and now I can't remember where to find it. Others. There is that. See that emergency? Tuner. Click OK. You have to restart it. Right. Should be in emergency mode. Let's just try it a minute. No, I have to do it again, so that's fine. Menu, set, others, emergency, tuner, then you click that and then hit the button. Right, see the E? You've got an E here now. So now when it tunes, it should tune better. Yeah, see that? And that's because it's tuning outside of its normal ability. But it still does a good job. You'll still find that if I whistle, I'm on low power. Let's go again with the tune. Yeah, you can see that tuned it. You can also select different meters. AUC, comp. So go for the different meters. You can also, on this section, select audio, which gives you this audio scope, which you can have with the main thing as well. Got to remember how you do that. So you go menu, scope. Then I think you go menu, audio. No, that's wrong. Let's try again. Menu, scope. Make it smaller and then go menu, audio. No, there is a way where you can have both. I can't remember. So there's that. You can expand it. And you go menu, audio, expand. But there is a way where you can display both. I can't remember how now, but you'll work it out. And then you've got memory, a whole memory section here for actually different memories. Not that I've got any in. It's a funky SWR tool, which I've never used. I mean, there's so much on this radio. You've got SD card, so you can load settings. There's an old one I had. Anyway, it's a great radio. give it a go, M0FXB.